Students, we are going to see a few questions from algebra which would be more helpful. The first question, a cube has a volume of 3.375 meter cube. How high is? So, how high is that we are asked to find out. So, we have to find out the cube root because it is a meter cube. So, to find the height, we know that the volume of a cube formula is V is equal to L into B into H. So you have three dimensions and the cube will be of same length, whether it is a length, breadth or height, all the sides are equal, so it is going to be same. So we can find out the height by finding the cube root of the given volume. So we find the cube root of 3.375 is equal to 1.5. So the cube is of height 1.5 meter. Move to the next question. A boy is P years old. Now how old will the boy be in 5 years later? So later means his age is going to increase. So we have to add. Now the present age of the boy is P. So the answer is going to be P plus 5. How old was a boy 4 years ago? So before, for example, if a person is at 50 years now, before 10 years, we have to subtract, isn't it? It will be 40 years. Like that, you have to subtract when you see the word ago. Ago means we are going back, so the age is going to reduce. So we have to subtract P with 4. So it is 4 years ago. The answer will be P minus 4. This year is P minus 4 years. His father is 4 times the boy's age. So times means we need to multiply. The age of boy is P and his father's age is 4 times. So we just write 4 into P, that is equal to 4P. So that is the age of his father. Next question. We are asked to simplify this expression. We can see that we have 3 terms and we have to identify the like terms. So only the like terms can be added or subtracted. Here we can see 2a and 2ab and 3ba. ba is nothing but ab only. So we can add both. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5ab. And AC is a different term, they are not like terms, so we just write minus 4AC. Next question. Now we have to simplify these terms. Similarly, we find the like terms here. The like terms are x square and 3x square. These two are the like terms. So we write it here. That is equal to x square plus 3x square gives us 4x square, and we can see the like terms of x, that is 2x and 3x. 2x plus 3x, both are positive values, so 2 plus 3 gives us 5x, and you can see the y term is only one term is there. We don't have any other like terms of y, so we just write minus y here. And we're going to write in the constant terms. So these are minus 4 and minus 1 are the constant terms. They are numbers, so we can add or subtract. Both are negative, so we add and put minus So the answer is minus 5, and this is the final answer. So we have simplified all the expressions to its lowest terms. Further, this cannot be simplified. Move to the next question. So we are going to simplify that. So 80 can be written as 4 into 20, okay, into x. So y square can be written as y into y divided by 12 can be written as 4 into 3 multiplied by 3 into x. X square can be written as x into x into y. So we are going to cancel the terms which can be cancelled. So you can see 4 and 4, the numerator and denominator can be cancelled, and 1x here, 1x can be cancelled if you find it both in the numerator and denominator. Similarly, you have y common, both numerator and denominator can be cancelled now. And finally, we are going to write the answer which is left out. So we have the numbers is 20 by 3, and the numerator we have y, and in the denominator we have 3x. So that is the final answer in the simplified form. Move to the next question. We have to just multiply these two terms. Both are negative, so we get minus into minus is plus. So it is a positive value. 2 into 3 is 6. And we have only one x term. We have to write it as x. And y into y square. So you know the law, that is when you multiply and we see the base is same, we can add the powers. So here the power is 1 for y. So we can add 1 plus 2 is 3. We will get y power 3. 6xy power 3. Remove the brackets and simplify. You have to remove the brackets and get it to the lowest terms. So when you multiply with x, you can remove the bracket, can be written as x minus x square. Here we multiply with x with the two terms, we get 2x square and minus 5x. When we multiply this with 2x, we get minus 2x. So minus 2 into 3 will give you minus 6, and x into x will give x square. So we have 2x square term here, and here both are negative. So we can write the first x square term, which is having the highest power. So when you add both, we can write it as minus 7x square. We are adding it because both are negative, same sign, minus 7x square. And here one more term is also there, which is a positive. We can write it here as plus 2x square. Next we will subtract it. And you can see the x terms here, which are like terms, here and here. So we can write it as plus x. We can add these two terms as minus 7x. we'll get it as, the final answer will be, we can subtract these two terms, x square terms, we will get minus 5x square, and 1 minus 7 is minus 6, so we'll get minus 6x. That's the answer. Go to the next question. Simplify each expression and give your answer on the positive indices. So the powers are negative, we have to convert it to the positive values. Okay, so we have to move this x power minus 3 to the numerator. When you move it to the numerator, by the law of indices, we can say that the power becomes positive. So we can write it as x power 5 into x power 3. Okay, and we move this value, that is y power minus 3, to the denominator, which changes to positive from negative. So we have y power 4 now, y power minus 2. So you can see in the numerator we have x power 5 and x power 3, you have the same base x, so we can add the powers. It can be written as x power 5 plus 3 divided by y power 4 minus 2. So plus into minus is minus, so we get 4 minus 2 here. That is equal to x power 8 divided by y power 2. So that's the answer. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you.